ChitChat English.
Greeting.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
How's your day going?
My day is going well, thank you.
How's your work today?
It's been a busy day.
At school.
What's your favorite subject?
I like math.
Who is your teacher?
Mr. Smith.
Do we have homework today?
Yes. We have a science project.
When is the test?
It's on Friday.
Can you help me with English?
Sure, let's study together.
Renting an apartment.
I'm looking for an apartment.
How many rooms do you need?
How much is the rent?
$800 per month.
Is electricity included?
No, you pay for it separately.
Can I see the apartment?
Yes, come tomorrow.
When can I move in?
Next week.
At a job interview.
What experience do you have?
I worked as a cashier.
Why do you want this job?
I like working with people.
What are your strengths?
I am hardworking and friendly.
When can you start?
Next Monday.
Do you have any questions?
Yes, what are the working hours?
At the supermarket.
Where is the milk?
It's in the dairy section.
Do you have fresh bread?
Yes, we bake it daily.
How much are these apples?
They are $2 per kilogram.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, we accept all cards.
Do you have plastic bags?
Yes, but they cost 10 cents each.
Buying clothes.
Can I try this on?
Yes, the fitting room is over there.
Do you have this in a smaller size?
Let me check for you.
How much is this jacket?
It's $50.
Do you have this in blue?
No, only red and black.
Where is the checkout?
It's near the entrance.
At a hotel.
Do you have a free room?
Yes, for how many nights?
How much is a room per night?
$80 per night.
Do you have Wi-Fi?
Yes, it's free.
Is breakfast included?
Yes, from 7 to 10 a.m.
Where is the swimming pool?
On the second floor.
At a coffee shop.
Can I have a coffee, please?
Sure. Small, medium, or large?
Do you have tea?
Yes, we have green and black tea.
Can I get my coffee with milk?
Yes, of course.
How much is a cappuccino?
It's $4.
Do you take cash?
Yes, we do.
Health and medicine.
I have a stomachache.
You should drink some tea.
Do you have a fever?
Yes, I think so.
What medicine should I take?
Take this pill twice a day.
I need to see a doctor.
Let's go to the clinic.
Where is the nearest pharmacy?
It's next to the supermarket.
Using technology.
How do I turn on this computer?
Press the power button.
What's your Wi-Fi password?
It's 1234 ABCD.
Can you send me the file?
Yes, I'll email it to you.
My phone battery is low.
Use my charger.
How do I print a document?
Click on the print button.
Asking for directions.
Excuse me, where is the bank?
It's next to the post office.
How do I get to the park?
Go straight and turn right.
Is there a bus stop near here?
Yes, it's around the corner.
How far is the train station?
About 10 minutes by car.
Can you show me on the map?
Sure, here it is.
At a party.
Are you having fun?
Yes, it's great.
Do you know the host?
Yes, he's my friend.
Would you like something to drink?
Yes, some juice, please.
The music is nice.
Yes, I love this song.
Let's dance.
Okay, let's go.
Making a phone call.
Hello, can I speak to Sarah?
Sorry, she's not here right now.
Can I leave a message?
Sure.
I'll call you back later.
Okay, talk to you soon.
What's your phone number?
It's 555-1234.
I can't hear you well.
Let me call you again.
Weather conversations.
It's so hot today.
Yes, summer is here.
Is it going to rain?
Yes, bring an umbrella.
The weather is nice today.
Yes, let's go outside.
What's the weather like tomorrow?
It will be sunny.
Talking about the future.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm going to visit my family.
What do you want to do in the future?
I want to be a doctor.
Are you going on vacation?
Yes, I'm going to Spain.
Will you come to my party?
Yes, I will.
Talking about the past.
What did you do yesterday?
I went to the park.
Did you watch the game?
Yes, it was exciting.
Have you ever been to Japan?
No, but I want to go.
How was your weekend?
It was great.
Did you study for the test?
Yes, I studied a lot.
At a restaurant.
What would you like to order?
I'll have the pasta.
Can I see the menu?
Here you go.
Is this dish spicy?
Yes, a little.
Can I get some water, please?
Of course.
This food is delicious.
I'm glad you like it.
Talking about hobbies.
Do you like reading?
Yes, I love books.
What kind of music do you like?
I like pop music.
Do you watch movies?
Yes, I love action movies.
What do you do for fun?
I play video games.
Do you play any instruments?
Yes, I play the piano.
At the cinema.
What movies are playing today?
We have an action movie and a comedy.
2 tickets for the 7 p.m. show, please.
That will be $20.
Where is screen number 5?
It's on the left.
Can I buy popcorn here?
Yes, at the snack counter.
Is there a discount for students?
Yes, show your student ID.
Daily routine conversations.
What time do you wake up?
At 7 a.m.
What do you usually eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and toast.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
What time do you sleep?
Around 11 p.m.
What do you do after work?
I go to the gym.